simula pa nang napanood ko kayo sa Track of Ages, doon pa lang kinikilig na yung mga tama. Parang they can already see how in love you are with each other. Siguro, I'd like to ask a question about that. Why do you think you fell in love with each other? What was like one thing that made you think na, I think I want to spend my life with her?
Ako po kasi I found a best friend with him that you would want to be with forever.
Habang buo?
Oo. Tapos yun, parang para siya parang tailor fit siya nang hindi mo sinasadya. Ganun yung nangyari. Maybe because sa tagal ng relasyon at sa tagal ng pagpapanday ng relasyon, parehas na kaming nag-a-adjust at nag-evolve para maging tailored fit sa isa't isa. So, nung after ilang years, ang nakikita ko lang, si Kim na lang yung magiging kasama ko. Dahil sobrang nahulma na siya sa kung ano yung kailangan ko sa buhay. At marahil nahulma na rin ako sa kung ano yung nararapat at kailangan niya sa kanyang buhay. That's why whenever I see myself, sometimes I would think na before my engaged na, would I want to spend the rest of my life with someone else? Laging si Kim yung naka-pronta sa isip ko. I think yun po yung nangyari sa aming dalawa. It's because maging matalik kami magkaibigan hanggang sa naging natuto kaming mahalin yung... Actually, ito yung isa pang pinakamahalagang nangyari. Natuto akong mahalin yung sarili ko dahil kay Kim. Yun kasi. Kasi kailangan magpakita sa iyo ng partner mo para hindi ka na para kumpleto ka, para hindi ko na, ito na yun. Mahal ko sarili ko, mahal niya ako. Meron pa tayong ibang kailangan patunayan.
And how about you, Ken? What made you fall in love with her?
Naging crush ko siya nung umpisa dahil sa humor niya. Oo.
Ha?
Oh, makakatawa kasi to.
Ha?
But it's the same It's actually, crush lang nung time na yun. But it became deeper when we became friends. Because apparently, pareho naman sabi niya, pareho kami ng mga trips sa life. Like, there are days when we were just friends, we would just talk about Christopher Nolan the whole night. Yung mga ganong mga nerdy stuff, we would just talk about the constellations. mga ganon mga pinag-uusapan namin tungkol sa astronomy, anatomy, kasi gusto ko maging doktor, siya naman gusto niya maging, yung gusto dapat chemist.
Embalsamador.
Hindi. Chemist ka. Chemical engineer. So, mga ganun-ganun yung mga trip namin sa life, sir. So, talagang nag-meet ang mga tiwang namin.
Okay. Here's the thing. 12 years in, you've been together for 12 years. What would you advise a person who's just starting to have a relationship with someone?
Oh, I think what I would advise to someone is just be open, like communication-wise, because you need to be as honest as possible from the very beginning. No? Kasi it's malayo ang mararating if you're both honest to yourself, honest to your partner, kung anong gusto mo sa relasyon. So malayo ang mararating doon. Kasi kaya naging 12 years yun, and I think kaya din like 2018 or 2019 pa namin siya na-realize that they were official from 2014 was because during 2014 to 2018 galing kami sa theater tapos biglang nag-mainstream kami. We were very clear to each other that okay, career muna but we have each other. Yung gano'n. And you have to meet halfway. have to meet in the middle na, oh, ito yung gusto ko ngayon. Are you still going to support me? Is this okay with you? Because if it's not, then leave it. Yung ganun. So we were very open to each other when it comes to that. So that's the first thing that I would advise someone. That's actually the number one thing that I advise my friends. Sabihin nila na, Kim, paano nila na, ano, I was very honest with Je, and Je was very honest with me. So, communication for me. And, there's also this, I just want to say it again, pag magkarelasyon na kayo, I just want to share one exercise that we do all the time. I say this all the time to my friends. Kahit hindi kayo magka-live-in, kahit over the phone lang, say at least 3 things you're grateful for the day. And you share it to each other. Because you share that positive vibe. Yung positivity na yun, it's a positive good energy that you share to each other. It worked for us. So kahit may dinadagdag ka for the day, or you're not feeling better, or you're feeling bad, or whatever, or visit ka sa kanya, ganyan. If you remember that positivity that made you happy for one day, babalik ka dun sa love. So, that we do that all the time. So, that's the exercise and the advice that I would tell someone who's starting a relationship.
And Jeff, did you not believe in putting your best foot forward? You know, when you're courting someone, that's what usually people do. But in your case, did you have to do that? Or did you see the need to actually impress Kim first before you actually fell in love with her?
Before, maybe it's a very Filipino thing to, may ligaw kasi tayo eh.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very Filipino thing to present your best foot forward.
Yeah.
So before, I am very much like that. But no, siguro nagkaedad, but I just tried, parang pinaka-papayo ko is present the most authentic self. Kasi pag best foot forward, ang best foot forward para sa akin pwedeng dagdagan eh. Yung authentic self, hindi mo ma-cheat eh. Automatic, pag dinagdagan mo yung authentic self mo, best foot forward na yun, nandun ka na. So, parang you are not, mapapayo ko in connection to your first question is, you are not there in a relationship to impress each of ikaw o siya. Hindi ka nandun para impress. You cannot impress yung partner mo, you can only express. And then also, I think hindi ka pwedeng mag-set ng expectation dahil hindi ikaw yung partner mo. Expectation is very individual. Your goals are your goals. Your partner's goals may be different, but if you're in a relationship, you only set each other's sails for you to go to the journey through your goal.
And do you also think that you got lucky because she's that kind of girl?
Yes, maswerte ako kasi siya yung binigay sa akin ng Diyos. Wow, yan. Yung mga ganyan, di ba? Ganyan yung mga trip ko.
Hindi siya best foot forward nung umpisa. Kasi first date namin, hey Kimmy, magkikita daw sa gig ni Jimmy Marquez, si Nini na siya ngayon. Oh, talaga? Oo. Ay, wala akong kotse ah. Pwede mo akong sunduin? Kasi magtutroma kami. So, sige, sunduin kita. So, sinundo ako yan. Pero, mag-half ako sa gas. Nagbayad siya ng gas. Pero half.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. And next up from Lionheart TV, Richard Pagdi.